In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to create a stylish two-color cinematic look using the tint effect. This effect remaps the dark and bright areas of your footage into two custom colors, giving you a dramatic and creative visual style. Let's begin. First, select your clip on the timeline. Now go to the effects panel and search for tint. Drag the tint effect onto your clip. Next, go to the effect controls panel. You'll see three main settings: map black to, map white to, the amount to tint. Let's adjust them properly. Click on map black to and choose a dark color tone. For example, you can choose a deep blue, teal, or dark purple for a cinematic feel. Now click on map white to and choose a contrasting lighter color. For example, warm orange, light pink, or golden tones work really well for a modern cinematic look. You'll immediately see your footage transformed into a two-color style. Now adjust the amount to tint slider. If the effect looks too strong, reduce the amount slightly to blend some original color back in. If you want a full stylized effect, keep it at 100%. Play your footage and fine-tune the color choices until the combination looks balanced and visually pleasing. This technique works especially well for dramatic scenes, music edits, or stylized storytelling. And that's it. You now know how to create a stylish two-color cinematic look using tint in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.